Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to another video on Canadian dividend investment, a case study on how we can have a passive income using Canadian dividend stocks. As you all know, the last week was not good for stock market. In the last week of February, the bond yield increased and this caused a downward trend in the equity market. And this trend continued in the first week of March as well. But as a investor who is looking for a long-term dividend investment, I can say that this is a good opportunity to invest money into good dividend yielding stock. And this is exactly what I'm going to do. So in today's video, I will quickly go through my portfolio and I will try to make use of this dip by investing in some of the stocks. So my TFSA account has got $1,800 and this includes both the stock as well as the available funds in my account. And that is the reason why you see a high percentage. It's not actually the growth of the stocks that I have in my portfolio. So if you look at one day, you can see that I have around like $271 increase, and this is because I actually added $250 into my funds. Speaking of adding funds, I noticed that Wealthsimple has made a change in this functionality. Earlier, if you have added funds, it would take approximately 3 to 4 days for the funds to be available for you to trade, but this has been changed. So I noticed today when I actually added this $250, and that's the reason why I added $250. If you transfer up to a max of $250, then the fund would be available right away for you to trade. The limit is $250 per 3-day period. So after 3 days is over, it gets reset and then you can add another $250 which would be available for you. This is a good thought from Wealthsimple because that helps us a lot. Like suddenly when you realize that the market is down and you want to buy some stocks but you don't have enough fund in your account, then you can make use of this facility. So now let's have a quick look at the portfolio. So on a very high level, when you look at it, you can see that there are two stocks that is trading in red. It is Algonquin Power and TransAlta Renewables. These are the two renewable stocks that I bought recently, and those are the two ones that are showing red. The rest of the stocks, like whether it is Bell Canada, Canadian National, Kera, um, those are all doing very, very well. I have two REITs in my portfolio, RioCan and Smart Cinders, both of them doing well and has got showing a growth of about 10%. So when you look at this portfolio, the two stocks that I wanted to make use of this dip is Algonquin and TransAlta Renewables. So I will be adding more of these today so that I could average out my cost. The first stock that I want to buy today would be Algonquin Power and Utility Corp. I have added this stock into my portfolio very recently, last week, and I bought 5 shares of it at the price of $20. So right now it is trading around 19.5 range. So I would be making use of this price drop and I'll be buying 5 more stocks today. The next stock is TransAlta Renewables. That also, if you see, I bought at the price of 20.48 recently, along with Algonquin. Currently, it is trading like $18 range. So that's a good time for me to add more to it. So I would be buying exactly the same number of shares that I have in my portfolio and trying to average the cost of the stock. So if you see right now for this stock, I have averaged out the cost. It was around 20.48. Now it became 19.65. So far today looks like a good day. The market seems to be recovered from last week. but you never know. But the good thing about investing in dividend stock is that even if the market goes down, you can actually make use of that to buy and average out your cost. Because we are looking for long-term investment here, and when you're looking for a long-term investment, you always want the price of the stocks to go down so that you can accumulate more of it. So that's it from my side for today. I hope you also had made use of this dip and bought some stocks. So if yes, please do let me know which stock you bought. Have a nice week ahead. Stay safe. Bye.